Kolkata-based Electrosteel Steels stake sale has entered the final lap. Lenders to the debt-ridden steelmaker met this week to take a call on the buyer and may come out with a decision soon. Ritu Singh joins in with exclusive details on this one. Ritu, who are the likely contenders? When can we expect some kind of a decision?
Well, we understand that the sale of Electrosteel Steels may have entered the final lap now, months after strategic debt restructuring was invoked in the company by its lenders last year. So we understand that of the two shortlisted bidders, one of which is Tata Steel, the other bidder is First International Group, which is a London-based investor, as we had reported earlier. And we now understand that First International Group has tied up with the Chinese steel major to collectively bid for Electrosteel Steels. So FIG is now tied up with Ritu Steel Group, which is a Chinese player, which has a capacity of over 20 million tons per annum and is a producer of steel and therefore brings with it the expertise and the technical know-how of running a steel plant and has strengthened the case of FIG really. Of course, the final bids have been made by both of these parties. There was a meeting of the lenders held in Kolkata just this week, and the decision has been deferred by a couple of weeks, but a final call is expected in February itself. We understand that both of the players, that is Tata Steel and First International Group, along with Ritu, both of them have asked for a partial debt waiver and a partial conversion of debt into cumulative redeemable preference shares, and both of these offers are currently being considered, but we obviously understand that banks are likely to go with a player that asks for a lower haircut, which in this case seems to be the First International Group offer. Of course, the final call, as I said, will be announced in the next few weeks. Tata Steel said it would not respond to market speculation, and the other players did not respond to CNBC TV 18's query.